Aloha everybody, this is Peter K. What's the weather like in Hawaii in July? Well, you are gonna find out because today it's July and you're not just gonna get the perspective from someone who's living here right now and telling you what it's like right now, but rather for someone, nice little beautiful view here of a park, you're going to get the view from someone who's lived in July in Hawaii since the mid-'80s. Stay tuned. Aloha, I'm Peter K, and I connect with people that want to live in Hawaii. So if that's you, you want to get subscribed and click on the notification link. So let's talk about the weather in July. There's this beautiful view here straight ahead. Nice residential area. You can make this the shortest video on Hawaii's weather you've ever seen because let me tell you, look around, the weather in Hawaii is always perfect. Today it's perfect. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous July day. Absolutely perfect. So that's it, you're done. You can leave now. Bye-bye. Okay, stick around if you want some more details. So, every month I'm gonna talk a little bit more about some detail that's specific to Hawaii's weather. So this is why you want to watch all the other videos I've got about Hawaii's weather. It'll give you a complete picture. And I'm going to do the same with this video as well. In fact, this video I'm going to be talking about mauka showers and what we mean by that. So you want to stay tuned for that one. The way I would characterize July is the month of expected perfection. In other words, June, summer has started. We're into summer already. And now it's like July, and we just expect every day in July to be absolutely perfect, and July does not disappoint. Like today, it's absolutely gorgeous today. Man, I mean, it's fabulous. It's Hawaii. It's Hawaii. So every day, it's sunny and it's clear. The winds are light. There's very little rain. It's dry. It's gentle. It's perfect, it's sunny, it's awesome. We've got local fruits now are kind of coming ripe. The mangoes, my neighbor has a mango tree. We have a mango tree. Our mangoes are kind of really green still, but my neighbor's mango tree, man, it's starting to rain mangoes. And nothing better than mangoes, man. Mangoes are amazing. So we're getting the local fruits now, which is great. There's no heavy rains. We get just gentle showers. I'm gonna talk about mauka showers a little while later. But there's no heavy rain, no stormy kind of stuff. Now, what do I mean by expected perfection? Well, I think what I mean by that is that, in the other months, winter, fall months, a drop dead gorgeous day is something that you treasure. We get a lot of them, more than any place else on earth, but still, the winter months, it gets kind of blustery. Sometimes it gets kind of windy, it gets kind of rainy. And so when a gorgeous day like today pops out in the middle of winter, you're like, oh my God, beautiful day. In July, it's like, yeah, another day, another day of perfection. But that's what it is. It's another day of perfection. And it's paradise, man. It's paradise. Now the temperature, it's really interesting. The temperature, you really should look at Hawaii's 10-day forecast because it is absolutely remarkable. I guarantee you will be blown away by Hawaii's 10-day forecast, not just because of the perfection of the temperatures, but the consistency. It's mind-boggling. Look, so here's what I did. For this week, I looked at 10 days out, right? And here's what it is. 83, 83, 83, 82, 82, 82, 81, 82, 82. You sense a pattern here? Those were the highs, 82, 82, 82, 80, every day. What about the lows? 72, 72, 73, 73, 73, 73, 73, 73, 73, 73, 73. Every day. That's I've always been blown away by that in Hawaii. Not only is the weather perfect, but it is unbelievably consistent. The temperature never varies. It just by a degree or two, and that's it. And that to me is another absolutely remarkable part about Hawaii's weather perfection. So here's a challenge I have for you, my awesome, amazing YouTube audience. Find me any place else on Earth that has more consistent temperatures. I do not think it exists. I do not think it exists. But I would challenge you all to pick any week of the year, and for those those 7 to 10 days, show me any place on Earth whose temperature is more consistent than Hawaii. I do not believe it exists. Prove me wrong. And another thing too, it's 82. It's like, you know, right now I'm looking at my the thermometer in my car, and my car says 83, and it's 12:41. So I'm in the hottest part of the day, man. And today it's just gorgeous. It's 83 degrees, couple of clouds, clear blue skies. Oh man, you know, like right now, if it's July where you live, I'll bet you where you live right now, if it's July around noon or 1 o'clock, I'll bet it's hotter than 83. You know, I've talked about this in June's weather report, but one of the things that makes Hawaii's weather so amazing is that, of course, we're warmer in the winter, but we're cooler in the summer. It's cooler in the summer in Hawaii than in most places, at least on the US mainland, North America. It's remarkable. This July, maybe it's because I'm becoming more aware of the weather because I'm going to talk about it, but this July in particular, and I'm talking about July of 2020, this July in particular seems to be a little bit cooler than the Julys that I remember. It does seem to be cooler. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. I mean, the nights are cooler, the days seem to be cooler. It's nice, man. So far July is like awesome. Awesome. There are so many things about July that are a lot like June, a lot of similar traits. So I'm not going to repeat them here. I've got a link in the description that'll take you to the June video, and it'll skip the first part of the June video, so it'll take you right to where I talk about the summer. If you want to know more about what summer's like in Hawaii, click on that description to the June video and you'll learn all about it. No need to repeat it here. So let's talk about mauka showers. So one thing in July that you really appreciate are these beautiful mauka showers. What are mauka showers? Well, mauka is the Hawaiian word that means to the inland or to the mountains. So in Hawaii, when we talk about directions, we tell people to go on the mauka side of the street. The mauka side of the street means the street that's on the mountainside. Like right now as I'm driving, my mauka side is over there. And conversely, the makai side makai means towards the sea. So if you Hawaii does not have north, south, east directions. It doesn't make any sense on an island. Instead, we say towards the mountains or towards the ocean. Towards the mountains, mauka. Towards the ocean, makai. So mauka showers, as you might guess, means, you know, rains that fall near the mountains. Right now, I am headed mauka. I'm heading towards those beautiful, look at that gorgeous mountain view. Man, wish you were here. Wish you were here. But I'm heading towards those beautiful mountains. Look at that picture. So this is actually a perfect time to talk about mauka showers. So you see over there, you see how we got the mountains and you see how there's clouds above it? Now I talked about in my February video about the rain patterns over here. So you want to click on that. And again, I've skipped in that link. You click on that link, it'll take you right to where I talk about the weather pattern. So you want to read about that. But here, it's a great example. You look straight ahead and you see those clouds, and you see those clouds that are they're like resting on top of the mountains. Well, what happens is morning mauka showers, like the word says, they happen near the mountains, right over there. They happen in the morning. And it's this magical, brief thing. It makes Hawaii so amazing because what it is, it's a gentle rain. It comes over there, comes over the mountains. It comes in the morning, give or take around twilight. So right when the darkness is going away and the sun's coming out, that's about the earliest part where we'll get a morning mauka shower. And they might go to like 9 o'clock maybe. That would be sort of like the end of the range, right? So in today's terms, it'd be like from let's say 5:45 to like 9 o'clock. That would be the range where we'll get these mauka showers. These mauka showers are just this little bit of pure magic because it's this gentle rain that comes in the morning. It cools the place off. It gives everything, it kind of waters your grass for you for a little bit. Just puts a little bit of moisture on the ground, but not a lot, because they only last for a few minutes. It comes and then it goes. And then during the day, you know, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, everything starts kind of warming up. Everything kind of evaporates. No wetness on the ground. It's as if it was never there. You did get the benefits of it. We did get the benefits of these morning mauka showers, and it's totally awesome. Now, sometimes as an added bonus, depends on where you're driving to or from, but the mauka showers will come and the sun is rising, sun breaks through, and what do you get? You get a gorgeous rainbow. So like a lot of times on your morning, you know, so there's a great way to greet you on your morning commute is you get the mauka showers and you get a rainbow, which of course is totally awesome. So that's it about mauka showers. They come in the morning, cool the place off, put a little bit of moisture on the ground. It's over by 9 o'clock, and a lot of times when you're going into work, you get this nice magical rainbow. That's Hawaii, man. That's July, perfection, that's Hawaii. Okay, you got a question for me? In the description, I've got a link to a form. Give me your question. Make sure you let me know your name and kind of the general area where you live so I can give you credit when I bring up the video. I'm Peter K, and I'm living in Hawaii. And I gotta tell you, loving it. Been here since the 80s, man. Feels like the first day. Aloha.